Good day everyone, I'm Cherry R. August from BS Ed Filipino 3. Here's my 10 unfamiliar words. First is definite. Hesitant in acting or speaking through lack of self-confidence. In a sentence, for someone who makes a living performing for other people, the actress is remarkably diffident in real life. Second is disparage, to belittle the importance or value of someone or something. To speak slightingly about someone or something. In a sentence, voters don't like political advertisement in which opponents disparage on one another. Third, esoteric, requiring or exhibiting knowledge that is restricted to a small group. In a sentence, must have had some esoteric motive for leaving his art collection to a museum halfway around the globe. Fourth, flabbergasted, to overwhelm with shock, surprise, or wonder. In a sentence, it flabbergasted me to see how many people still support him. Fifth, garrulous, given to prosy, rambling, or tedious loquacity, pointlessly or annoying talkative. In a sentence, he became more garrulous about drinking a couple of beers. 6. Mellifluous, a sound that is sweet and smooth, pleasing to hear. In a sentence, a rich, mellifluous voice that gets her a lot of work in radio and TV commercial. 7. Cognizant, knowledgeable of something especially through personal experience. In a sentence, he is cognizant of his duties as a father. 8. Kismet, a hypothetical force or personified power that determines the course of the future events, fate, destiny. In a sentence, he always said that it was Kismet that they met at a showing of their favorite movie. 9. Truculent, feeling or displaying ferocity, cruel, savage. In a sentence, die-hard fans who became truculent and violent after their team lost. 10. Sycophant, a servile, self-seeking flatterer. In a sentence, be careful not to mistake sycophants for true friends.